Hi, Chad Burton here from Modern Law Practice, and today I'm talking about your job as a law firm owner to supervise both those within the firm and what you should do when you engage third-party services that have access to your firm information. So first, starting on the inside, often lawyers know that you have this duty to supervise and train your team, whether it's other attorneys that are who are reporting to you, or non-attorney staff who have access to information, who are interacting with clients. So just to kind of dive in on that for a minute. Training obviously can mean different things depending upon your firm, and supervising depends upon those roles. However, you need to make that judgment as to your particular firm on what you should be doing. This means you need processes and procedures in place that your team can follow. When they have questions, they should be able to reference what you have documented to help guide them. And if not, they need to understand that they need to come to you to get those questions, and you need to be available to them. You need to make sure you can't just throw somebody in and say, here's what you need to know, go and do your work. You need to make sure that people understand what they need to do to follow the rules. I mean, for example, in the other video where we talked about confidentiality, it's not as simple as saying, don't open your mouth about client information. They need to understand how to best protect that information in very granular ways oftentimes. And so you need to give them that training and supervision. And that supervision is not just upfront, in a 90-day probationary period. It's ongoing. So that's on the internal aspect of things. We also need the behavior on when you engage a third-party service that has access to your law firm information is a little bit different. You may not have the same duties to supervise and train. However, you have to take reasonable precautions to make sure that those services that you're engaging are going to keep your client information safe and secure.